Hey, wait, before you scroll past, give me 2 minutes because I'm about to show you how to build your own faith-based content business in the next 60 seconds without writing skills, design skills, or tech experience. And more importantly, how you can create sermons, devotionals, prayers, books, websites, and products that reach and serve thousands of believers with 0 monthly fees on your end. Over the past year, something changed in the faith space. AI finally got good enough to create real Christian content, devotionals, sermons, Bible studies, and prayers. That actually sounds faithful, warm, and ready to publish, which means the old way of spending hours writing, paying for 10 different tools, and juggling tech you were never trained for is finished. Now, one believer with the right platform can do the work of an entire ministry team. So, what makes this different? This isn't just another generic AI tool. It creates faith-focused devotionals, sermons, and Bible studies. It writes prayers, quotes, reels, and newsletters. It builds your Christian website with no coding, and it even lets you sell your own products and earn affiliate income. And that's exactly why pastors are switching, Christian creators are switching, and beginners are starting faith brands. Everyone is moving toward AI built for their calling, because when you compare it to generic AI, the difference is obvious. You get faith-focused content, not watered-down output, faster creation, lower costs, and more ways to grow and earn, which means more impact and more income for you. But here's the problem. To run a faith-based content business the old way, you usually have to pay a fortune. $1,000 or more a month for ghostwriters and content help, $1,500 or more a month for designers and video editors, $800 or more a month for a web developer, plus separate tools for selling an email. And it never stops. Every devotional, every sermon, every website, more money out the door. So even though faith content is in massive demand, producing it all yourself becomes expensive and exhausting. That's why we built something completely different, something smarter, something simpler, something built 100% for Christians. Introducing Faith AI, the complete AI-powered operating system for Christian creators, ministries, and faith-based entrepreneurs. A single dashboard that gives you 10 done-for-you Christian content creators, a done-for-you Christian resource library, and a no-code website builder, product store, and affiliate store, all from one simple dashboard. This isn't just another AI tool. This is your complete Christian Creator Command Center. Here's what happens after you log in. You open your dashboard, you choose what you need, and instantly, you get a full sermon, devotional, Bible study, or prayer ready to use. Then you launch your website on a free or custom domain, upload your ebook or prayer journal to your store, and start earning, with payments going straight to your own Stripe or PayPal. Which means no ghostwriters, no designers, no web developers, and no experience needed. Just ready to publish faith content and a real way to grow your ministry. And here's where it gets even better. This content isn't just fast, it's faithful and ready to publish, built for real scripture-based depth, a warm, authentic Christian tone, and content your audience actually connects with. So you don't just create faster, you create content that grows your audience and your impact, more reach, more engagement, and more support for your mission. And yes, it's beginner-friendly, no writing skills needed, no design experience, and no complicated setup. If you can click, you can run your entire faith brand. Now, let's talk about the price. Normally, to build a faith content business like this, you'd be paying for writers, designers, developers, and tools every single month. But today, you don't have to. With Faith AI, you get everything with a simple one-time payment. No subscriptions and no recurring fees. Just activate it once and it's yours, with all future updates included. And yes, you're fully protected with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it, create with it, launch your site and your first product with it. If you don't love it, we'll refund every penny, no questions asked. So now, the decision is yours. Do you keep struggling with scattered tools and expensive help? Or do you step into one complete platform built for your calling, with everything done for you? If you're ready to, create sermons, devotionals, and prayers in minutes. launch a Christian website with no coding, sell your own digital products and keep 100%, earn affiliate income from faith resources, and grow a real ministry or faith business? Then click the button below, activate Faith AI, and start building your faith-based content business today. No limits, no subscriptions, no stress, just a complete Christian creator platform working for you. Your calling starts now.